Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your revenue with Shopify, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your target audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and buying behaviors. Next, conduct thorough market research. Analyze competitors to identify their strengths and weaknesses. Consider using Shopify's built-in analytics tools to gain insights. Set clear and achievable revenue goals. Break these goals down into monthly and weekly targets. Develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience. Focus on creating a user-friendly and visually appealing website. Use high-quality images and clear product descriptions. Optimize your site for mobile users to enhance accessibility. Implement SEO best practices to improve search engine rankings. Incorporate relevant keywords into your product titles and descriptions. Highlight your unique selling points to differentiate from competitors. Utilize Shopify's App Store to enhance your store's functionality. Consider adding apps for customer reviews, email marketing, and upselling. Leverage social media platforms to promote your products. Create engaging content that encourages interaction and shares. Run targeted ad campaigns to reach potential customers effectively. Use Shopify's integration with Facebook and Instagram for seamless selling. Build an email list to engage with customers directly. Regularly send newsletters with updates, promotions, and personalized recommendations. Analyze your marketing campaigns and sales data to understand what works best. Adjust your strategies based on this analysis to continuously improve. Ensure your customer service is prompt and helpful. Encourage customer feedback to learn and adapt your offerings. Consider offering loyalty programs or discounts to retain customers. Expand your product range to cater to a wider audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.